You look at your bank account after all the bills are paid. There's not much left, maybe just an extra $10 or 100,000 rupiah. Then you hear the word investing, and you immediately think of Wall Street, of billionaires, of something that is not for you. It feels like a private club, and the price of entry is thousands of dollars you just don't have. What really is the point of investing $10? It feels like nothing. But what if I told you that this $10 is the single most important, most powerful money you will ever invest in your entire life? Because its value isn't $10. Its value is starting. It's the proof that you are no longer just a spender. You are an investor. So, let's not waste another second. Let's break down the psychology, the strategy, and the simple steps. This is your complete 2025 guide. First, we need to fix our thinking. We are taught to save money. Saving is passive. It's safe. You are hiding your money from risk, putting it in a box. But saving has a mortal enemy. It's called inflation. And it's a silent thief that eats your money's value every single day. Investing, even $10, is a completely different psychological act. It's active. You are telling that money, you are my employee. I want you to go out and make more money for me. The biggest barrier is what I call the all-or-nothing trap. We think, if I can't invest $1,000, why bother with $10? This is a lie. The goal of your first $10 is not to get rich. The goal is to become an investor. That $10 is your entry ticket. It is the price of admission to the game. Once you are in, you have won the hardest part of the battle. You have changed your identity. Okay, so you are an investor. But practically, where does the $10 go? In 2025, you have two incredibly powerful options, even with small amounts. The first is fractional shares. 10 years ago, if a stock cost $1,000, you were locked out. Today, you don't have to buy the whole share. You can buy a slice of it for just $10. The second, and often the best option for beginners, is a broad market ETF or index fund. Don't think of it as buying one stock. Think of it as buying one basket that contains a tiny piece of the entire market, all 500 of the top companies at once. You are no longer betting on one single company to win. You are simply betting on the entire economy to grow over time. This is called diversification, and it's the closest thing to a safe bet in long-term investing. This is not complicated. Here is your practical 3-step action plan. Step 1. Choose your platform. In 2025, there are dozens of reputable zero-fee brokerage apps. Do a quick search for low-fee brokerage app or micro-investing app in your country. The key is finding one that allows fractional shares. Step 2. Automate it. This is the single most important step. Do not plan to invest $10. Set up an automatic transfer of $10 from your bank account to your investment account for the day after you get paid. This removes emotion, it removes discipline, it removes forgetfulness. You pay yourself first, and the system runs on its own. Step 3. Be patient. And I mean very patient. Your $10 will not be $1,000 next year. That is not the point. We are leveraging the most powerful force in the universe, compound interest. It's a tiny snowball at the top of a very, very long hill. For the first 5 years, it will look like nothing. But you're not just adding $10. You're adding $10 to the $10 that's also growing. The $10 becomes $20. The $20 becomes $40. It is the snowball itself that starts to do the work for you. There is an old proverb. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. That $10 is your sapling. It doesn't look like much now, but you are not just investing $10. You are investing in your future. What is one small amount you can commit to automating today? Let's make a plan in the comments. If this helped you, hit like to support the channel and subscribe to Aidil Mindset to start building your future. Thank you for watching.